Dear brothers, sisters, and viewers, this is my last speech in this institute, so I would like to pay my heartfelt thanks to the trainer and the institutes as well. In my previous speech, I talked about the importance of humanity, and I'll carry on that speech. And in this particular part, I would like to talk about the specific movement which was found by one of the most accurate and exemplary scholar of Islam, Maulana Ali Mia Sahab, in 1974. Maulana Ali Mia Sahab was the founder of this movement and organization, and he is the one who is absolutely renowned in the country as well as throughout the world in Islamic sections and Islamic countries. He was such flamboyant personality and a wonderful thinker, a preacher and a scholar and a writer of hundreds of books on various topics, including the topic of humanity. And he is one of the most important book which was actually lectures was delivered on different occasions and collected by someone and published as Ensaniyat ki Masihai. And like that, there are several books on the topic message of humanity. Actually, his lectures which he delivered on various occasions and was been collected and translated into English language and published by different publishers. So Maulana Ali Mia Sahab was such a wonderful personality, and he was the one who found this movement and this organization in 1974. And he was actually watched deeply the burning circumstances of the country at that time. So he decided to stand against hatred and prejudicial mentality and discrimination which was being prevailed throughout the country. And he invited scholars from different cultures, communities and religions on a same stage as he conducted different seminars and various programs and dialogue programs throughout the country, where he invited different people, different scholars from different religions and communities, even politicians from different communities and different areas and regions of the country. And he conducted the seminars in every corner and every region of the country as well, alongside with his dynamic and wonderful companions. And in particular, I would like to mention here some of them as Maulana Ishaq Jalil Sahab, Maulana Abdul Karim Parikh Sahab, and even Maulana Anis Chishti Sahab, who just recently passed away. So alongside with them, he went further and did wonders. And when he passed away in 1999, Maulana Rabi Sahab took the charge, and under his presidentship, the work carried on. And then Maulana Abdullah Sahab accelerated this organization and this movement and began the practical activities and included some practical things in this organization, into this movement. And he opened a new chapter, and since then, a chapter of practical activities has begun. So Maulana Abdullah Sahab actually has a burning heart, and he want to actually to extinguish the fire of hatred. So he decided to work on vastly and widely throughout the country. So he decided to work on humanitarian issues. Practically, he wanted to show the message, and he actually led by example. So as far as the movement and the organization is concerned, so All India Payam Insaniyat Forum, the message of humanity, is a non-political social organization which works purely on the basis of humanity, irrespective of religion, caste, community, color, and complexion. That is the method and that is the pattern of this organization and this movement to work on purely on the basis of humanity. And as far as the activities, practical activities are concerned, so I want to begin. Actually, we have 4 basic objectives to work on. So 4 basic fields to be fulfilled, which are absolutely empty. Number 1 is hunger. And number 2 is health. And number 3 is education. And number 4 is employment. These are 4 fields which are absolutely empty and have to be fulfilled.